Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro, featuring a rugged military-grade design, a large AMOLED display, and advanced health tracking with heart rate, SpO₂, and sleep monitoring. With improved battery life and enhanced GPS accuracy, it's built to handle any adventure. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro, a magnetic charging base, and a user manual. Technical specifications. Meet the ultimate smartwatch built for adventure. With a titanium bezel and buttons, fiber-reinforced polymer case, sapphire glass, and silicone strap, it's durable and stylish. The AMOLED display, 1.5 inches on the 48mm, 1.32 inches on the 44mm, shines up to 3,000 nits. Lightweight at 52 grams and 46.8 grams, it tracks heart rate, SpO₂, stress, sleep, body temperature, and PAI health sensors include GPS, compass, barometer, accelerometer, and gyroscope, while battery lasts up to 25 days on the 48mm, 17 days on the 44mm. Connectivity is Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi, and BLE, compatible with Android 7.0 Plus and iOS 15 Plus. Control it with 4 buttons, touchscreen, speaker, and mic, with 187 sports modes, GPS navigation, offline maps, altitude, compass, flashlight, and alerts. Plus the Zepp Flow Assistant. It keeps you organized and active. Built tough with 10 ATM water resistance, magnetic charging, and advanced GPS modes. Available in tactical black, black gold, and Arctic gold. Product features. Crafted with a rugged titanium bezel, reinforced polymer body, and sapphire glass display, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro is built for extreme conditions while maintaining a bold, premium look. With 10 ATM water resistance and a design optimized for outdoor endurance, it's ready for tough workouts, harsh environments, and everyday use. Powered by the advanced BioTracker 6.0 sensor, it continuously monitors heart rate, blood oxygen, stress levels, sleep quality, and body temperature to give you a complete picture of your well-being. With features like PAI, health scoring, breathing exercises, and real-time alerts, it helps you stay balanced and proactive about your health. Equipped with 187 sports modes and intelligent recognition for select activities, it delivers precise performance tracking for running, cycling, swimming, strength training, and more advanced GPS navigation, offline maps, altitude data, and multi-mode positioning help you move smarter, whether you're training, exploring, or pushing your limits outdoors. Stay connected effortlessly with Bluetooth calling, app and SMS notifications, and built-in music and camera controls. The Zepp Flow RTM AI assistant enables natural voice interactions, while tools like alarms, weather updates, world clock, reminders, Pomodoro timer, and voice memos support your daily routine with practical convenience. How to pair. Make sure your phone has the latest Zepp app installed, is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and has Bluetooth turned on. Turn on your Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro by holding the top button until the screen lights up. Open the Zepp app on your phone and tap Add Device, then select Watch. Bring the watch close to your phone and scan the QR code shown on the watch screen, or choose Pair manually if needed. Confirm the pairing request on both the watch and the phone. Follow the on-screen instructions and allow all necessary permissions. Keep both devices near each other while data syncs and setup completes. Once syncing finishes, tap Done on the watch. and your T-Rex 3 Pro is ready to use. How to charge? Attach the magnetic charging head to the back of the watch. Connect the charger to a USB power source. Ensure the watch is properly aligned with the charger. Charging will start automatically. Leave it connected until the battery is full. Disconnect and your watch is ready to go. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Turn off the watch. Press and hold the top and bottom buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the buttons when the Amazfit logo appears. The watch will perform a hard reset and restart, restoring factory settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Zepp app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The T-Rex 3 Pro features a fiber-reinforced polymer body with a titanium bezel and buttons, and a sapphire glass display, making it tough yet lightweight. The Fenix 8 Pro also has a rugged polymer case with a titanium bezel, plus a sapphire or Gorilla Glass lens, giving it extreme durability. Display and sizes. The T-Rex 3 Pro comes with either a 1.5-inch or 1.32-inch AMOLED display, pushing up to an impressive 3,000 nits and protected with durable sapphire glass. Meanwhile, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro features a 1.3 to 1.4-inch AMOLED panel, with select models even upgrading to micro-LED, offering a sharp 454 by 454 resolution and a reliable, always-on screen for outdoor visibility. Battery and storage. The T-Rex 3 Pro delivers a 700 mAh battery on the 48mm model, giving you up to 25 days of typical use with multiple long GPS modes, and it even includes up to 26 GB of internal storage for maps and music. Meanwhile, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro pushes up to 27 days in smartwatch mode on the 51mm AMOLED version and comes with 32 GB of storage for maps, music, and offline training data. Pros and cons. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is a premium, adventure-focused smartwatch, featuring LTE and satellite connectivity, a bright AMOLED or micro-LED display, comprehensive multi-sport tracking, and a built-in LED flashlight. It offers robust battery life, lasting up to 27 days in smartwatch mode. However, it is relatively bulky, commands a high price, and LTE features require a subscription. Overall, it remains an exceptional choice for serious outdoor enthusiasts and professionals seeking reliability and advanced functionality. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.